Hey! Guys, we're gonna tell each other scary stories while we're waiting. So go ahead, you first.
Okay, hold on. Let me just turn the light on. So, fine. There was a boy named Joe. Like a normal kid in a neighborhood. You know?
Yeah. Move, Ronnie, we're trying to tell a story! Anyways, go ahead.
This man, he's still alive. He's over there in that corner right over there.
Oh, hey, Joe.
I just named him the old man.
Oh, okay. I'm scared to sleep now.
Should be.
Okay, you want to hear my scary story?
Bro, I like this light. I like how it goes on and off. It's like doop doop doop. Kinda. Yeah. Oh, it's nighttime.
No, not yet. Let me hear my story first. My story was gonna be me, just like there wasn't a skeleton. Look how easy he is! Die!
Well, that was easy. Let's go down.
I got 2 gold keys.
We can duplicate them because we can open gold chests with them.
No, duplicating is cheating.
No, it isn't. Totally.
Okay, let's see how far down I got.
I'm
This
just
is
finding
where I
these
was
water.
when I died.
This morning. Taking all these water candles and eat them so the spawn rate goes faster.
Mining person. Oh, another gold key.
Oh look, angel statue. Take it now. I want to see what it is if it does spawn. There's another frost hydra in there. So,
Oh, could you get it? I don't have.
see which one's better. 120. Okay, I don't want.
Mine's 150.
Ow!
All my things are gone.
Gold key open. I just want the money. That's all I want out of it. Is the money.
Why can't I open the chest?
Because I'm in it. I just want the money. That's why. Ah, trap. Gold key again.
Where? Here, I'll open it.
Up here. Just let me open it to make sure this. Oh yeah, I have clue. I think that.
What?
Is I have clue.
Watch out!
It was steel. I'm holding a wire so I know where the trap is. They don't actually really walk in stuff. Like the ball. I wish you could like put them in the OP.
What?
The leggy ball that spin around. That'd be very OP.
Why can't I open the chest?
Because I'm in
Finally!
it.
No, you weren't in it even before.
There was.
Before you were even down here.
Guess it wasn't unlocked.
Well, I got a present for you. Come here.
Maybe it's for water.
Ah! Oh, no.
Another golden chest.
Too bad I don't have any gold keys.
Exactly, that's right. I told you we should do that.
I'm joking! I am
That's
not!
the corrupted one. I never seen those. They're hard to find. I have very OP weapon, the corruption one. But we don't have a corruption key. A piano. It's not a mechanic. But don't go near her first. She's next to a trap.
Wait, I wanna watch.
She's next to a trap. Be careful.
Yes, sir, I'm coming.
Just
You're lagging so bad.
grab the first.
I'm lagging! Your character's like moving everywhere.
Up to me. Don't move. I dropped my contact.
What?
There's a trap. There's a trap. Do not go.
Where?
Here, I'll mine it.
What?
You walked on it.
That is.
You walked on the trap.
Orange, okay.
Yeah, but you walked on the trap.
Don't move, I dropped my contact.
Another trap. So many traps.
I got you a present.
Golden blood though.
I got you a present. I'm coming to give you the present. Oh crap, we're up there.
Oh, one of those fireballs I keep them. Ow.
Gold key.
I need them. Oh, there you go.
I'm at the bottom of the world, so it's probably just working out.
Don't worry, I got the gold.
I'm just gonna sit here, go to bed, you entertain them. Seriously, I'm gonna close my eyes because I'm bored. Okay, go ahead and entertain them. Do it. Do you want me to scream?
No, I'll just shoot
I just got something. Wild magma stone. You know what that is?
you. No. Still looking for my statues.
It says material, equipable. Inflicts fire damage on the attack.
I don't care. Gold key, give me it. Give me. Can't find my statue. Is there any statue in this place? Is it dead? I down to the one.
My friend, he's been like... You want me to say what I do? I just want to do this. No, that's not it. What's that?
What did I
I'm
do?
not doing a big deal. Yeah, I'm like really scared, but...
Can't find the statue. Oh,
That. You hit him.
I need to find the statue.
Ah. It's fun. Oh.
Trying to find the statue. Uh, they're trying to find the statue. That's what. Oh, gee. That's good. Oh, there's nothing in here. Huh? You want to keep throwing things at me? You keep throwing things at me. I don't know. Somebody's throwing stuff at me.
Look how long Skeletron's hand is.
I learned.
You'll never catch me, Skeletron, hon. Never.
Okay, that's good. Oh, angry bones. You angry, you mad. You're feisty.
Hey, look. It's done. Jacob.
Yeah.
There once was a man who really had poop. And he pooped out a chain. Oh, man.
Poop out China?
Oh, man.
How did someone poop out China? I can't find the statue.
Oh, man, this is the biggest poop I've ever had. Oh, finally, it's over. Oh no, it's coming, get off! Oh, it's in my back inside. Stealth on me?
I really can't find anything down here.
Well, Jacob, look what I learned how to do. I don't fly.
Okay, I can't succeed it. So, so we couldn't find any statues, but I'm bummed. So, Logan,
Yeah.
we gotta go to your world. Do you have any statues? Like,
No, I got rid of them.
why?
I'm green! Ah! Papers aren't supposed to be green. Okay, let's go. Why you have a poison thing?
Cars for mobs. Now, do you have any things or not?
You.
Hey.
I'm broke with you. Yeah, you messing with me. Now you're gonna kiss me. Oh. You're gonna kill the guy.